In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect to Wi-Fi internet on your Google Pixel phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Google Pixel phone that you have. So the first thing that you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, you're going to see a lot of things, and mine says connections. Yours probably going to say network and internet, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, go ahead and tap on internet. Mine says Wi-Fi. Make sure it's toggled on, and then just go ahead and click on it. And then after it's toggled on, all you want to do is go over to available networks and find the network that you want to join. And then all you got to do is click on it. And then let's say I want to click on this one. I'm then going to have to enter the password, obviously, if it requires a password, like so. And then once you go ahead and press that, type in the password, and then you're going to be able to connect directly to it. If it's one you already have saved, then you can just go ahead and press it. And as you can see, I'm instantly connected. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.